Hi, I'm Marysol. Welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be reviewing Mojo Jojo's next release that is going to happen Friday, June 6th at 9 a.m. Mountain Time. And there's so much going on. Okay, let me start this again. These are the books that I was sent. This one was for my PR box, and then these two. But they're also going to have restock. So you have the the holiday date it sticker sheets, bold paper and clear, holiday dated sticker sheet, script clear. So I'll put the information on the screen. You'll get to see all of that, but this is the new sticker book, and this is actually apparently these are all new because these are all revamped stickers, these two. And then this one is new because it's 2.0, so it's all new colors, I guess. So let's check them out. So this is Mojo Jojo's Summer Shapes, and it has 1,250 stickers, and you get 60 pages of all the shapes. You get one of each. Oh, hold up. And they're all different sizes, which I appreciate because you get a lot for what you're paying for, right? For the colors. So you can definitely combine a small with big, other shapes with other shapes. Here's the flower ones, and then these are the blues and yellows. Okay, so I don't know where I left off, but uh my kiddo came in and interrupted, so I can't remember. But here are the shapes. You get the blue and the yellow, and again, you get big and small shapes, which I appreciate. You get the floral one, or like scallop, I guess you should say, pattern. But this to me looks like a flower. So then you get the green, although this looks kind of like, oh, I guess it is green. And purple. I actually like that combination of color. You get some line, some blank boxes. Then you get the foil one. These are perfect for, what is it? July 4th, Independence Day, Memorial Day, Veterans Day. Like, look at how cute is that? And the foil's like iridescent, this foil here. And again, you get of all the shapes in the same color palette. Then you get the more muted soft palettes here, this more like beachy tones to me. I'm going a little fast. So this one is green. The other one looked kind of deep. I don't know. It looked like maybe like a deep teal. But you get the blues and the greens and the same thing. You get some blank, some bigger, some small, some with lines, some without lines. I mean, I do appreciate sometimes the lines, not always, because I like to write big, but it doesn't matter. I act like the lines aren't there. Then you get this limey green with the yellow. This definitely reminds me like a lemon palette, or a lemon theme, I should say. And here you get the same thing, some big, some small, some with lines, some without, in all the shapes. And then you get the rose gold foil with this magenta, because this looks like a magenta to me. Same thing, all the colors, pretty cute. I would definitely use like the rose gold for like the end of summer type of spread. And then you get this beautiful foil. This is definitely screaming 4th of July. Super cute in all the colors. Isn't that nice? And then the foil looks kind of different in all the ones. They like different patterns. That's super cute. Really like it. So I'm excited to use this book. This is the Summer Shapes. And this one is $34 plus shipping. Remember, I am an affiliate for Mojo Jojo's, so use my link. If you use my link, the discount is already included. If you don't use my link, just use Marysol in small caps. Yes, I will put it up here in case you forget, but it is Marysol in all small caps. You should get the discount code will apply. Let's do summer boxes one because this is the revamp and I have the original one of this one and I love, look at that, the lines, some without the lines. Okay, I love that. I love that she included these because I think this is what mines didn't have, and I love that I can come here and get these. You get the pink and the orange, and I love that she includes a variety, so you get to use all of this stuff. For me, though, definitely I can do away with this line page and then get a double of this page, but that's just me because I can use this one. Uh, but the same colors, you see, like this one is not green, so it's more like a dark teal, which is cool. I like that she has included that, and then she included this here, which is great. And I used a lot of these for one of my spreads that I did. And I'm happy again that she's included them here because you get a lot for your buck. This is just a revamp because it's including this page, which the original didn't have. And then this is a revamped version as well. So I'm excited because I didn't get the original one, the .2 of the summer, and then I regretted it because it was sold out. So she included all the foil in this one. Look at how cute. This is super cute. I really like this. And then she included the dots, the checklist, and all the headers with the flags. So super nice. You get the beachy tones. I love the beachy tones. And again, you get the checklist, the dots, the headers, and the flags. And I like that she includes a variety of letter or fonts. That's cute. Look at the green with the blue. Super cute. It's all the same thing. That's why I'm going fast. And I'm sorry because this is going to be a very short video, but I want to put it out before the 6 comes here. So here you have some checklists, the dots, again, the headers, the flags, and all the different fonts. And she includes color and black, which is nice. This lemon one, which I love the yellow with the lime green. It's so cute. The lines, without the lines, then you get this one, and look at how cute. You get the foil with the pinks, the magenta I should say, or fuchsia. Same thing here. And then the lined boxes, no lines, and then the revamp page. So these are the 3 books that are included in this release. Again, I am an affiliate for Mojo Jojo's, so if you are going to purchase any of these items, please consider using my affiliate link below. If you use my affiliate link, the discount code will already be provided for you. If you don't, just use Marysol in all small caps and I'll put it here. So remember, the price point for this one is 34 because we're talking about 60 pages. So this is double these books, and this is 20. So this is 30 pages and it's $20, and this is 60 and it's 34. So you're getting a good price point for this really big one, which again, I'm really enjoying. I got her spring one and I can't wait for fall and winter to come because I want all the shapes. I love it. I love having the I use the majority of her boxes. So knowing that she has shapes is so nice because then I just have to grab one book. That's basically it. So price point 34 plus shipping, and these two are 20 plus shipping. And then there'll be the restock for the dated, which is a $30. I'll have the details here down below in the description box so you can see it all. You'll have the holiday dated sticker sheet, bold paper and clear. And then you'll have the holiday dated sticker sheet in script clear sticker paper, which is also available. So yeah, make sure you check out my description for all the information on this release. And yeah, if you've made it so far, leave me, I guess I want to say, I don't know, leave me a sun, a sun in the comments to know you've made it this far. And thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned because I'll be using this in the upcoming week. Actually, it is a Tuesday and I have to plan for this week. It's escape because I've had so much to do. But I will probably be doing it tonight and then just back planning Monday. But I'm I think I'm going to be using these sticker books, so stay tuned to that plan with me so you get to see how I use it. Anyways, if you have recently subscribed to my channel, thank you so much for subscribing. Thank you for all the people that continue to come back and watch my content and support my channel. And if you want to see more of what I'm doing, please check out my Instagram account. I do post a lot more there. I'm trying to make it even, but it's a little bit hard, but hopefully we'll get there at some point this year. And yeah, I appreciate you being here. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you on the next one. Bye.